If you're into off-road sports or camping adventures, then chances are you're like me, which means you have a trailer, truck, or RV that you may store in your back 40 or at a storage lot because it only gets used part of the year. One of the big costs in maintaining these are tires. Tires are expensive, and in our case, they age out before they wear out. We want to make sure to protect them from the harsh UV rays of the southern sun. We do that by the utilization of tire covers. I have used various styles of these covers over the years and want to share my favorite. First, this tire cover with the wraparound bungee cord, ditch that in the trash. They suck. It's no fun trying to wrap that bungee cord around the tire and loop it through for a secure fit. The tire covers I found that work the best for me are a brand called Explorland Tire Covers. A link is in the description below. They have a great sizing chart, 4 colors to choose from, and a 3-year warranty. Best of all, no bungee cord to deal with. These have an elastic cord sewn in for a secure fit and easy installation. They also hold up well to the Arizona monsoon winds, as demonstrated by my leaf blower that produces a 70-mile-an-hour wind. I like these so much, I bought another pair for the truck, and no, I'm not being paid or given anything to promote this product. Just trying to save you time and money based on my experiences. Once again, if you're interested, see the link in the description below, and thanks for watching.